The Chinese have achieved the impossible. They managed to build a bridge that reaches the sky, and its astounding height will definitely impress you. This project was considered impossible, and Western experts skeptically said it would take the Chinese 500 years to complete. However, Chinese engineers finished it in just 3 years and opened it for traffic. It is the highest bridge in the world at 565 meters and spans 1,340 meters. The Beijing Bridge is designed to last 100 years and can withstand very strong winds. The most amazing fact is that there are no supports in the middle of the bridge. It is held up by 224 suspension cables. From a distance, the bridge looks like a dragon, showcasing the strength and power of China's infrastructure. If you're not following the Motivate HQ project, you're probably never going to see us again. If you are, then congratulations. You're growing every day.